my channel. I hope all of you are having an absolutely wonderful day. And again, thank you so much for being here. I do truly appreciate each and every one of you. If you are new, go ahead and hit subscribe and join our wonderful YouTube family. We would love to have you. I am very excited today. We have a new subscription and it is My Purse Club. I think it is absolutely amazing and I cannot wait to dive into this very large box. I did just go ahead and cut it to open it. A little bit about My Purse Club. It is $38.99 a month. That does include shipping, so it's really not that bad. I mean, to get a new purse every month. And I also really like that you have the option to select what type of style purse you want, whether it be like a classic style, trendy style. You choose the style of purse you like. And I think this is so awesome. If you receive a purse that you do not actually care for, you can return it and they will send you another one. So I think that is fabulous. I think that, just shows the customer service and the care that this company, that they have. It is just amazing. You obviously can cancel at any time, and I do know that also throughout, your membership, you will also receive other items with your purse, kind of just as little extra gifts or incentives. So let's go ahead. We're going to dive into this box. I can't wait, and we'll see what we got. This was very kindly sent to me for review to share with you guys. So I can't wait to see what she sent. So let's get in here. All right, so again, this is a big box, but packaged very well. It looks like it is in, yes. Okay. So it is wrapped in this cloth or cottony type bag. And this here is how it explains how you can obviously contact them with any issues, or it says if you need to make an exchange, it tells you how to go about doing that. So I think that is absolutely awesome. So well, there's more than just one thing in here. You guys, oh my goodness. Talk about presentation. Are you kidding me right now? Okay. How absolutely adorable is this? This, I'm assuming it's the purse, but it's like gift wrapped. And then there is this included, which clearly looks to be 2 items, and another item, all cutely wrapped. Cutely, I don't know if that's a word, but these are just adorable. The presentation, this blows my mind. This, again, kind of to me just goes to show how awesome this company is. And yeah, you guys know I love presentations, so this is like, wow. All right, so we're gonna open the purse first. Kind of rhymed. All right, let's see. I told her that I typically prefer kind of simple, nothing too wild and crazy. I guess your classic style. This is cute. All right, so here we have the purse that I think is super cute. It is adorable. And then it obviously has the handle. So I like that it would be a longer bag. That is so cute. And obviously, again, with this, all these purses and everything, is brand new. But how cute is that? Like, it's not too big, it's not too small. I think this is just absolutely perfect. So, yay. All right, so we'll do this next. So this obviously looks like two things. We'll do that second. We'll do this one first. I love how it's all gift wrapped and tied up with a little bow. This is just, you guys, it's awesome. All right. Really does make it feel like Christmas because everything's wrapped. All right. Oh, and how cute, you guys. It's a wallet that matches. And it's vegan. Yes. All right. It's actually like a double. Oh, and it comes with, okay, so you actually could use this, you know, obviously it matches the purse, so it, you know, is a wallet, but it does have the little clip here, so if you just want to take this, you can. That is great. And this side has the little coin slot. And let's see. The other side has all of the little sections where you can put your ID, your credit cards, you know, obviously you can put cash in here. That's great. So not only did it come, you know, with a purse, it came with a matching wallet, which is awesome. So let's see what this is. This was attached to the wallet. Oh, this is pretty. It's a little anklet. How cute is that? That is so cute. So it's like accessories. I guess this was, you know, the type of little gifts. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, I love stuff like this when it's like simple, but just really, really pretty. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So our last little item that is tied up and wrapped all beautifully. Ooh, all right, so let's see here. It's actually two things. The first one is a little eyeshadow. I'm trying to see if it has a color. These colors, which are great. So that is cute. And then this is gorgeous. It's soap. Do you guys see? It's got the seashells and stuff in there. It says Coconut Kisses. It's a shea soap. Let's see. It has coconut oil. It says wash and rinse. But I just think that is so cute that it actually has the seashells in it. Like, that is so pretty. So, I mean, for a purse subscription, we got a beautiful handbag with a wallet to go with it that could also just with the little wristlet strap be used on its own. And then we got this cute little anklet. We got this adorable bar of soap and a little thing of eyeshadow. That is awesome. So again, you guys, this is $38.99 a month. I will make sure to put a link down below to get you to her site. It is through Cratejoy, and definitely, I mean, if you love purses and you want to have a new purse every month, You can't beat it for $38.99. Like I said, that includes the shipping. And if you receive something you don't really care for, you can exchange it, which is another huge perk. So this again was my purse club. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys with the next video. Bye.